Okay, so today we are going to go to Florida, and this was sent to me by Corey McDermott. He sent me a few of them, but this is the one I'm choosing to do. Now, this customer is Sunshine Boutique Company, but there's a ton of businesses. This whole building is just a bunch of businesses. But now the one that he has sent to me is these particular docks here. Now, as you can see, there's a nice wall right in front and quite intimidating. A lot of day cabs, but one advantage that we have going for us is that we have the docks are spread out. All right, so you can if it's just a trailer that you have to back around, you can get it in there with some patience. All right, and some skill. Um, Now, so I'm going to be doing that for you. Let's take a look at some of the pictures that he sent me. So here, as you can see, we got day cabs, we got some sleeper trucks, and then that wall. A lot of scrape marks. Oh boy, that's a big wall. Yeah, so it seems like a pretty tough place. And I'm going to give you a few scenarios. Set off with the easiest, to where we don't have to back up around any trucks. And yeah, okay, let's get on with the tutorial. All right, so the very first one's going to be pretty easy. So we can even start turning roughly around here because of the distance we are from these guys. I can start turning early. Of course, obviously not hitting him. My goal right now is just to get my axles all the way to the left as much as I can for my setup. And now we have all the room in the world in front of us, and we're going to take advantage of that. All right, so I'm going to keep hugging everything to the left, everything to the left, everything to the left. Of course, we are going to the space with the red lines, just so you can always see it. And now it's not the most easiest back at the same time, but it's a lot simpler than going around other vehicles. Oh yeah, see, my setup is all, you know, it's not bad. It's not that bad at all. Let me just go ahead and just do a straight back. I'm going to maintain the straight back. Now it's absolutely fine backing up. Now we got a straight back going. Um, like if I was backing up into this space, I would be way too close, but I'm not. I'm backing up into this one. So we can start turning roughly, I don't know, roughly around now. So it's going to do a hard jackknife. Now the back of my truck's going to go nicely into my space. Of course, now we're not paying attention to the back of the truck. We're paying attention to the axles, the very center right here. All right, so I'm going to jackknife a little more. Now we don't have to worry about the back or the swing. That's why we're not we don't even care about the back of the truck. Sorry, the back of the trailer. Definitely a hard jackknife roughly around here. Okay, back to a chase. Yeah. I know it's a bit of a balancing act. I know I'm going left and right and left and right. Okay, looking somewhat decent. I'm definitely going to have to do a pull forward, which is fine. Now I'm going to stop for a second and explain something. So roughly around here is where I'm where the trailer is definitely parallel. Again, I'm going to go. I'm not going to straighten up now. I'm going to go ahead and go back even more. Okay, and now I'm going to straighten up because when I do my straighten up, it's going to bring the front of the trailer to the left, back of the trailer to the right, and I should be parallel again here. See? All right. So I had to stop because I was going to hit the wall. So now we can just slowly back in, and now we are nice and center. All right, and we bump the dock nice and slowly, and there we go. Now I have turned the blind spots on just to kind of demonstrate of what you can't see. All right, so now we're not gonna turn to the left just yet. Now, because you have this much room, you have enough room that you could back up to nearly to the dock and able to open up your doors. That is one of those great things about these spaces, because having this little extra space means so much. All right, so we're gonna start turning. We're gonna turn in now. Again, it's the exact same back as the last one. It's just that now you have to worry a little bit more about the swing of your trailer. All right, now we'll be doing the same thing again with a truck and trailer parked in these other spaces. Okay, but right now I'm just going to be I'm very more aware of that truck. Now, if there's no lines, this is extra hard. It's because there is lines, it's not that bad at all. All right. When you have no lines to guide you to tell you where your front of your trailer, sorry, where your back of your trailer is, it does get very very difficult, very intimidating. That's the word I was trying for. All right. So there we go. We got the angle going. Now, because this trailer's here, we kind of can't see the very back, but that's fine. We can still see the lines. Okay, let's keep her going. So we have a good jackknife going right now. I'm just gonna kind of maintain that angle the way it is. Now, right now, I am watching the very back of my trailer, and I'm pretty much bringing the point down towards this line. That tells me that the back of the trailer is still nowhere near him. All right. Now, if my axles were all the way over here, and I'm at this angle, then I'd be definitely worrying about this guy. All right, I'm gonna start chasing it now. All right, because I'm just basically trying to get that the back of the trailer to keep maintaining on that line. So it's gonna jackknife again, and we're gonna keep doing it. All right, so I definitely need to start chasing it, and then because now we're parallel. Okay, so we're pretty much to the dock, but let's get out and look for a second. We're missing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go forward to the left and try bring it over. So I'm gonna straighten up. There we go. Now I'm just gonna go off to the left to really straighten up. This kind of tells me exactly. That way I can look in both mirrors and see that I'm happy, that I'm not hitting anything. So I'm just gonna do a straight back for a few feet and then back to a jackknife again. Get myself pretty close to being parallel before I start chasing. There we go. All right, I'm actually quite happy with that. All right, because now I can do a pull forward. I wish I could go back a few more feet. And then we're going to go back to the left again. All right. So yeah, when you don't have much room in front of you, you got to do all your adjusting to the side over here. All right, very good. This isn't as easy as this is just as hard in the real world. There we go. Let's go off to the right now. That'll help me out a lot more. Okay. All right, let's take a look. So there's the red line. Oh, so many lines. Remember now we're going next to the red line. All right. Okay. Back to the right. And back to the left. And I think we're going to be good for that one. All right, I think we're in. All right, let's do a really, really hard one, okay? So this video is actually stretching to be 16 minutes, so I've decided to put that on tomorrow's video, so you can watch it there. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.